Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to download and install Baldur's Gate 3 on PC or laptop. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you'll have to have this Steam application. So to download this, open your web browser and then type out store.steampower.com, and then you will be able to see this page. Now click on the install Steam. Okay, and then click on the install Steam. So right after downloading the file, you will have to install the application and sign in or create your Steam account. Okay, so right after doing so, you can now open your Steam application and then use the search bar at the top to search for Baldur's Gate 3 on PC. So just type out Baldur's Gate 3. Okay, so here it is. So just click on it and then scroll down and then just tap on the add to cart and then purchase this for yourself or purchase this as a gift. Okay, I'm going to click on purchase for myself and then select your payment method. And then right after that, you will then just have to type out your payment information and then purchase the game and then install it. And then you could be able to play it. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.